Good morning, students. I welcome you all to our sixth session of robotics. I hope all of you have tried the program of Magic Wand at your place and have seen the output in the simulator in Plasmo software. Let us begin today's activity. Smart parking. As the name is suggesting, we are going to make a parking system smart. That means easy to use or convenient to use. Generally, when a driver comes near a parking area, someone has to come and open the barrier, fine. But in our system, we are going to use a sensor in which this sensor is going to sense the car and the barrier will open automatically and it will close after some time. But if the car is taking too long to cross the barrier, then it will give a siren also to it can give an alarm kind of thing to the driver so that it will be conscious that we have to go and we have to cross, otherwise the barrier will close. Fine, I hope you understood the problem statement. So we are going to use three elements today: distance element, motor and music element. Distance element is going to sense the presence of car. Motor is used to control the movement of the barrier. And music element is going to produce the siren to make the driver conscious to move the car fast. Fine. So let us go to the programming part. So as we have already discussed, whenever the object, that means whenever the car comes near the distance sensor, rotate motor quarter. Now here I'm using the term quarter. Why? Because the barrier has to open at 90 degree. Fine. So that means we can give this as a quarter movement in anti-clockwise direction, and it has to wait for 5 seconds, and again the barrier has to come back to its original position by moving the motor in the clockwise direction. Fine. Now we want to add the alarm also in it. So what we have to do is we have to add an option of playing the alarm in the music element, and that music will be played for 1 second, and after that alarm the motor will come to its original position, or we can say the barrier will come to its original position in the closed position. So let us try this program in the Plasmo software. So when we open the Plasmo software, we get the interface like this. I will click on create new and the project name will be Smart Parking System. And the objective is to make an automatic barrier in parking area. Fine. And the description, you can write anything else, as I have already explained you that we are going to make a system in which the barrier will open automatically and the driver will get a alarm also once the signal is going to, when the barrier is going to close. So you can type anything else here. So let us create our new project. Okay, so here which element we are going to use? Distance element, because that is the main sensor which we are going to use. So here, when the object comes near the distance element, then what we have to do now, we have to control the motor. So rotate the motor at slow at 25 rpm or by quarter. Now I will select here quarter. Why? Because the barrier has to open up and it has to cover an angle of 90 degree, and in quarter we generally know that it is 90 degree only. And here I will take anti-clockwise direction because it has to go up. And then we have to go to timing. So for timing we will go to expand controls category. Timing, wait for 5 seconds. And then again, if you work on motor, sorry, if you again go on motor, so it will by in clockwise direction. Fine. So this is the first program, but now we have to add the music element also. So what we are going to use is go here again, expand element category. So here, if you want to play an alarm, we have to go here, play alarm. Now here, if you see, we find alarm 1. Then we have to wait for 1 second. So again, we have to go to timing. Fine. And then the barrier will come to its original position. So let us try this in our simulator now. So in simulator, the first step is to add the virtual element. So which elements we are going to use? Distance element. Yes. Then we are going to use motor. Perfect. And then we are going to use music to give the alarm. So now they are overlapping. I'm just dragging them down so that we can understand the movement of each part better. Now the next step is, again I have to change the names here. Sim distance, sim motor, and here sim music, and here again sim motor. Fine. So let us start the program now. So here we are playing, and now you have to click on near. Yes. So I hope you could observe that once the car is coming near, the barrier is opening and it will remain open for 5 seconds. Then alarm will come and then the barrier will close. As we click on play, we have to click on near because the distance sensor has to sense the car. So the motor will rotate. It will wait for 5 seconds and then alarm for 1 second, and then the motor will come back to its original position. Fine. I repeat, near, anti-clockwise direction, then siren, and then in the clockwise direction. Fine.
So this is the setup for smart parking system. When the bus will come near the distance sensor, the barrier will open and the bus will go. I repeat. So when the bus is coming near the distance sensor, the barrier will open, and if the bus will not go, it will give the siren after 3 seconds so that the bus will go fast and the barrier will be closed. Now I will show you how this bar was working. Fine. I had just fitted the motor here. This motor I had shown you in the elements of the plasma also. This motor was operating this bar, and here the distance sensor. The distance sensor was sensing the bus and the music element was producing the sound or the siren. Fine. I hope you liked this activity and you are going to try this activity at your place using Plasmo software and the simulator part. Thank you.